Hello, everybody. My name is Herney Sierra. I am 20 years old, and in this opportunity, I want to pronounce the English sounds and pronounce some words containing those sounds. First of all, we're going to start with the English consonant sounds. The English consonant sounds are the following: as in think, as in they, as in vulture, as in rainbow, sh, as in sheet, j, as in seizure, ch, as in chair, j, as in jack, as in sing, and as in her. The vowel sounds are the following: E as in sheep, I as in sit, as in bed, A as in cat, Ah as in car, Aw as in hot, Aw as in coffee, as in good, Oo as in cool, as in cup, as in bird, and as in about. The following are the diphthongs in English. The diphthongs are the following: A as in gay, I as in high, oi as in boy, out, ow as in out, o as in the word hose, ear as in the word here, air as in the word where, and as in the word tour. The next part in this presentation is a tongue twister that was made by ChatGPT using all of the consonant sounds. So this is the written tongue twister, and this is the IPA transcription. So I'm gonna read it. It says, think of those very rare sheep showing cheerful jack jumping and singing happily on the hill. So here it goes. Here goes a bit faster, and it goes like this. Think of those very rare sheep showing cheerful jack jumping and singing happily on the hill. That was my presentation. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it.